If you miss this wave, you'll regret it for the next decade. Because right now, AI isn't the future, it's the present. And every time a new technology like this explodes, new millionaires are made overnight. The internet did it, crypto did it, and now AI is doing it again. But this time, the barrier to entry is zero. So in this video, I'm breaking down 3 AI businesses that you can start from zero, and one of them is already creating brand new millionaires every single month. And by the way, you don't need coding skills, funding, or any followers to make this work. You just need to listen closely, because each section builds on the next. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications. It really helps the channel. Okay, so here's the truth. Every wealth wave follows the same pattern. When the internet started, a few people built websites, while everyone else just thought of it as a way to send emails and look things up. When crypto hit, most people said scam, while a few became millionaires and billionaires. AI is the next wealth transfer, except this one is much, much bigger. Because for the first time, machines can think, they can write, they can design, and they can sell for you on autopilot. ChatGPT Atlas, the new AI browser, just changed everything. It doesn't just answer questions, it reads, it analyzes, and it acts for you. So here's how you turn that power into profit. I'm about to show you 3 business models that you can start right now, without any employees, without any inventory, and without needing an office. So stick around until the end, because the third one is the wildest, and it's the easiest to scale up. The first is the AI automation agency. Think of it like this. Every small business out there knows they should be posting content, writing blogs, and sending emails. But a lot of them simply just don't have the time. And that's where you come in. You don't need to do the work yourself, you just need to run a system. You can use tools like ChatGPT Atlas, Opus Clip, and Midjourney to handle 90% of the tasks automatically. And if you want to get a bit more technical, then you can start using tools like NAN to build out workflows and automate everything. Think of it like this. You walk into a local gym, cafe, or real estate agent's office and say, hey, I can automate your marketing and content for $1,500 a month. They say yes, you plug in AI, and let Atlas do all the heavy lifting. That's recurring monthly income. And after 3 to 5 clients, you're already replacing your full-time salary. That also gives you a proof of concept to approach other businesses, show them what you've done for your current clients and what you could do for them. With 60 clients all paying you $1,500 a month, you're clearing over $1 million a year. And here's the best part. You can outsource it later. AI does the thinking, freelancers handle the tweaks, and you keep the profit. But if you don't like dealing with clients or calls, then business 2 is where things get exciting. Business model 2 is the AI affiliate business. And this one is one of my favorites because it's how I built my first serious income online. Instead of selling your time, you recommend digital tools, software, or programs that already sell well. And you get paid every time someone buys through your link. But here's where Atlas changes the game. Before, you had to research the products, write the content, build the emails, and post every day manually. But now, Atlas can write scripts, create emails, design funnels, and even schedule your content, all automatically. So what used to take a week now takes a few hours. You can build a full affiliate system that runs 24/7, and when you connect it to automation tools, it becomes a real business with strong cash flow. And yes, that's exactly what I teach inside my free starter pack. It gives you the templates, funnel layout, and daily content prompts to plug straight into this model. But hold that thought, because the next business is one that can scale to 7 figures faster than anything else on the list. This one's called AI content licensing, and it's exploding at the moment. So here's how it works. AI tools like ChatGPT Atlas and Claude can create entire courses, ebooks, or templates in hours. People are packaging those assets and selling them on Etsy, Gumroad, or even on their own websites. And others are licensing them to businesses, influencers, and coaches for reoccurring fees. For example, let's say you create a 20-page AI content planner using Atlas. You sell it for $29 on Gumroad. or you license it for $99 a month to a few business owners. That's scalable, repeatable, and completely digital. And if you combine it with affiliate links inside your digital products, now you've built an ecosystem that earns money on autopilot. I know creators right now who built one AI generated course and it's made them over 6 figures in under 6 months, without spending money on paid ads, without the need for a big following, just smart systems. Now, before you rush off and start one of these, there's something that you need to understand first. AI isn't replacing people, it's replacing the slow thinkers. And right now, the opportunity is massive, but it won't last forever. Because once everyone figures this out, the competition explodes and the margins shrink. The people who win are the ones who start now. So don't wait until everyone's using these systems. Learn them now and use them to make money. Now, if you want to see the exact system that I use to go from zero to my first online commissions, then grab a copy of my free affiliate starter pack from the link in the description below or from the pinned comment. You'll get plug and play funnels, email templates, and a full traffic guide so you can launch your first AI powered affiliate business this week. Lastly, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I release 2 videos a week to help you build an income online. So don't just watch the AI revolution, become one of the few who profits from it. Because the next wave of millionaires isn't coming someday, it's being built right now. So make sure you're part of it.